All right, since I already have all my gear out, this is my 1977 Honda CB550k. Already took the side panels off. So I am replacing the carb boots because they're old and they're crummy. So these bikes don't like pod filters. I know someone out there is going to complain about that. Whatever. This thing rides phenomenal, sounds phenomenal. These boots are just getting a little meh, as you can tell. So we're going to change that. I've had these carbs off way more times than I care to admit. Lovely. It's great. Always fun. I hated these flip screwdrivers for the longest time. Always thought they're dumb. Man, they are so useful now. I think mostly because of my laziness. Whatever. Flatheads to hold the pod filters on, and Phillips to hold the carb boots. Don't really have to do both, but I'm doing this anyway. Might as well. The orientation of these clamps also is critical. If you don't think about the way you angle them when you put them on, you'll need a very long screwdriver. As you can tell, I can hardly reach this inner one. That's okay. Whatever. That doesn't have to happen right now. Hopefully this doesn't make a mess on me. Probably will. It's my luck. If I wasn't recording, it would probably be nice and clean. Pliers would help here, but I'm lazy. All right, not hateful. Going on to the other side. I already started taking the air filters off. Good to me. Put this bike up for sale. Every time I ride it, or every time I've ridden it since, I've just been like, man, I should keep it. Of course, I'm trying to nitpick all the problems because if I'm going to sell it, I'd like the most out of it. So I just resealed the forks. Finally got the carbs. Happy. I rebuilt them a while ago, but never really finished the job technically. Never really got them dialed. And now it's just like chef's kiss. And if I can do this without pulling the throttle cables, I'll be such a happy boy. Nice. These are probably original. And wait, so there. Cool. The crank breather, or cylinder head breather, I guess, technically, that should go to the airbox that I don't have. So it just vents the atmosphere. That's okay. No shame. Whew, that is gas. That's disgusting. Went a little rich there, I guess. Struggle bus here. That way. Let's knock this side out quick. Probably a year ago, I saw a turbo kit for one of these bikes pop up for sale on Marketplace. Should I have bought it? Probably not. Do I regret not buying it? Yeah. Cool. Such a headache, though, I guarantee it. Uh, Ignore the way I just tried that. Put the inside one in first. Because then you can get the outside one on. Glass cleaner or some form of non-aggressive lubricant would be great here. I like glass cleaner because it evaporates and doesn't leave a residue. I'm just manhandling it though, because I'm a beast. DJ's a beast. He knows that. Whoa! I'm a professional, trained professional. I know what I'm doing. I'm authorized to show it. Right? All right. Things aimed the right way. I was a little worried these would be too small because the clamps felt so large on them. Please, please. Por favor. And then the last one. Okay, let's make this a little more personable. Aim that up. Hopefully I'm in frame. Gotten a lot of pleasure working on my bikes lately because it's such a quick hit of dopamine. I'm just like, yep, fix that. Now I can ride it. Doesn't need anything major. Typically, knock on wood. Ooh, I almost made the error that I told you not to make. I really should have bought new clamps for these, but here we are. Now the not fun part. I know it's going to fight me. Getting all four of these to go in together is just not great. Especially when you're squatting on the ground and recording it. Oh. That goes between cylinders 2 and 3. Or it just falls off the head. It doesn't matter anymore. Cool. All right. Okay, satiated. Grab glass cleaner. Beautiful. The annoying bit with these is one side will usually go in and the other side won't. What? Sorry, that's probably loud. Is that all? I think I did it. Yeah, I think I did. Seems all right. Cool. Back together we go. while back, I wanted to make a Facebook page or Instagram page or something called Hose Clamps in Serviceable Positions. Because, man, is it such a treat when you can just get a straight shot on a hose clamp. Fellow technicians will understand. Never got around to it, though. Core clamps are JIS, so Japan Industrial Standard. They have a little dot next to the head. You probably can't see from that far away, but I'm not going to adjust anything because I'm lazy. Technically, a Phillips doesn't fit very well. However, after what, this bike's 77, so it's like almost 50 years old. They're Phillips now. Tires for, but it didn't. Pod filters. Because we like how they look, not because they function well. Kind of the name of the game around here. Does it function well? No. Does it look cool though? Yeah. Okay, we're gonna do it then. Turboing our cars. Do we need to? No. Do we need the power? No. Does it sound cool? Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we're doing it. Convenient, huh? Very convenient. Same rule of thumb. Put the middle ones on first because they're harder to get to. And then put this one on. Be shocked at how many people don't think like that. Cool. Side covers. Can't be caught lacking out here. Bad. Look how easy this is. That's mad. You're good, you're good. Woo. What a good bike. What a good bike. Feeling just like that, I don't want to sell it anymore. We'll see.